Can you thicken Hamburger Helper with water?
Hello, kitchen enthusiasts. Today we are answering a popular question. Can I use water instead of milk to thicken Hamburger Helper? This is an important question, particularly for those who are dairy-free, lactose intolerant, or simply out of milk. Let's dive into the answer.
Understanding Hamburger Helper.
Hamburger Helper is a line of packaged food products that usually consist of pasta or rice with powdered seasonings and sauces. Milk is typically used in the preparation of these meals, not just for flavor but also to help thicken the sauce. The starch in the pasta combined with the milk creates a creamy, thick sauce.
Can you use water instead of milk?
The simple answer is, yes, you can use water instead of milk. But it's important to know that this might affect the taste and texture of your meal. Water doesn't contain the same proteins and fats that milk does, which help to create a rich and creamy sauce.
How can you thicken the sauce with water?
To thicken your Hamburger Helper sauce with water, you'll need to introduce another thickening agent. This could be cornstarch, flour, or another food-safe thickener. These substances work by absorbing water and expanding, which creates a thicker sauce. Here's a simple method. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Stir this into your Hamburger Helper along with the recommended amount of water. Allow the mixture to simmer until it thickens. To wrap up, yes, you can use water instead of milk to thicken your Hamburger Helper. However, remember that this could alter the taste and creaminess of the final product. By using a thickening agent like cornstarch, you can achieve a similar texture. But remember, cooking is all about creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment. Happy cooking, everyone!